Hi, I am under. I'm logged in with Manale account. So in this section, there is three projects are there. One is employee management. One is leave request management. Another one is leave request approval. Okay. So in this employee management here, I already share with the team that or the admin team as you requested last time. So the three members are there. Only you can see this application and how you can see the once you open this application, then you have the publish section. So you can copy from here and you can access this properly. And from the leave request section, so. As I told last time, that leave request right now is calendar is only for personalized calendar right now. So I already share with all the user who are using timesheet application. So here, if in the sections, right now the calendar is this particular thing, a particular application is related to individual user. So and the calendar right now is for individual user only. That means if I request for a leave, if my leave is approved, so only I can see on my calendar only my leave, not the other employees leave. So in this sections, let me click the share and go to that publish sections and copy this thing. And if I go to that section, is manually account already in the sections, um, because manually didn't request for any leave with it. Because of that, in this login, nothing will be shared here. Let it be open. Just wait. So see here is in this section, leave request is there, but if I go to that or other employee login, I can already add my email ID here. So I'll because for testing purpose, he is my email ID Kebab, and I requested one leave, and that leave is approved by Manali itself. Manali herself approved that leave request, and because of that, I can see my approved leave request in this calendar application. But but leave request on this leave request calendar, Manali cannot see the other or any other employee cannot see other leave request. Okay. So for the leave request, let me request a leave again to show you how it work. Okay. And okay, so in this in my account, let me go for the leave request, create one leave request is two. For the department, I choose account because I am under account department, because Manali is the supervisor over there, and Manali can approve my leave request. Okay, account division, and after that email ID will be there. Let me request for September and so 15th to 18th. Okay, 15 to 18. It's a special leave. See, already I tested because it's already tested once. I'm giving creating another video for with the testing. So I'm requesting 2 and 3 here respectively, and then it reflect here the remaining of this year. Let me save it. Okay, once I save, if I go to the calendar, because it's not approved, I cannot see the event here. Let me go forward. See, it's nothing. No other event is here. Let me go for the approver section. Okay, means in approver section. This is okay in the on the manual account in the approver section. So if I share this application, let me show, get the information. Only the admins of individual department uh, are added here, means who are the approver is listed here, they can access this one. And let me open this one, copy and open. Okay, under the section approver section, because I request one leave is there. And in approved section I can see what are the event I have already approved here. Another one is the approved calendar, means if I am a supervisor of a one team, so I can see the team members leave, approved leave on my calendar, so that I can easily approve the other leave by checking this calendar. So this is another one option. So this particular section only for the approver who can see his team members leave already approved by him or her. Okay, so let me go for this particular leave request is not approved. Let me go to the section. It's not approved for 18, 15 to 18 is not there. Let me go for the approval section, and let me open that application. And uh, after that I'll going to approve this section. If it approved, if it is approved, then you can be there on the approved section. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it's approved now. And if I go for the approved section, then I can see the requested I approved already. It's arranged here properly. And after that I can go for the approved calendar, where the approved calendar section. Okay, in this section if I go to next month of September, I can see this one already approved. Okay, now if I go for this particular my own personal leave uh, section under Manele account, because it's not belongs to Manele, it's not there. Okay, and you can see nothing is here. Okay, because right now leave is only for the user can see. But if I go to my account, because it's my leave, if I uh, refresh it, you can see my leave already approved in the calendar is visible right now. Okay, let me go to the month of September. See, it's showing properly. So right now, application the right now, admin can see. Admin means a list of especially manually, and that you and the three user is here to manage this manage employee management application. Another one is for leave request. I told you already, as per manually requirement, she told me to add all the user who are using timesheet. I added here so that they can access this application. Okay, and this is approver section. Only admin or supervisor can access this one to approve. That's it for now. Whatever I implemented to make it personalized. So right now, events can be seen by the user who is requested, and request an approved event can be seen by the supervisor only. Okay, so it's done. If you have any question, you can ask me on email. I'm giving you this video link to by email ID.